doesn't scare you, no evil thing will. To see her is to take a second chance. I'm full of surprises. Who am I to be?
Yes, it's a curse to be so famously misunderstood. Everyone thinks they know you. Hello, darlings! You see, utterly gobsmacked. And some of you do understand. Perkins Crook!
I finally made it through the glass! Why, hello! Captain Hawk at your service! No applause. Thank you, one person. That brat Peter Pan gets all the attention. Even Smee likes it better than me. Do you? Dare your poor bear tall? Oh, well, that's just because I'm so horribly misunderstood. Do you know?
Frightened the knave in the mirror away have I. Why, there's no need to be frightened of me. Isn't that right, my pet? I'm merely here to propose that I am the most misunderstood of all. Haven't you ever been forgotten, left off the list, omitted from a grand affair that the entire kingdom is attending? Except you. It's...
Floaty face. Why don't I get VIP access, huh? Hello! She isn't the only one who's feeling a little heated by being misunderstood, okay?
And yet another wounded foe.
Whoa! You see the severity of my situation, can't you? How I've been misunderstood by the cat!
Petty, insignificant, and awkwardly flamboyant.
Hey, who's talking enough, yeah?
Two at a time.
I demand you let me in, or out. Which is it?
Okay, kindly let him know I was here first.
Listen, you hovering apparition. I've been dreadfully misunderstood. I should have been Sultan!
Oh, wow. You need a little cheese to go with that.
Silence!
Okay, I'm cool. I'm calm. Hey, whoever's knocking, come on. I was here first.
I dare any to challenge all that I have to endure.
Dismissed, rejected,
And,
publicly humiliated.
Cats in their fancy cars don't give you so much as a sideways glance.
Oh no, more than one. How can you so miserably unfat?
Tell me about it.
I am really wrong. Just a little mistake.
Olivia, you don't know who I am.
I was the Grand Vizier of Angela!
Come to this.
You misunderstand me most of all. The name in the mirror is mine, and mine alone!
No! Shattered. Again. Too many. Must end. But you. Yes, you. I beseech thee. Answer them. Choose the most misunderstood. But how? Many spoke, but few were seen, though villains in the mirrors gleamed. But these three passed through the glass. Yes! Choose from them! That is your task! This is your moment. You are the judge. Clap, stomp, and scream. Show who you love. And when you do, the smoke will rise as you choose the most villainized. Do you cheer for the spider waiting for the kill?
I'm the original, darlings! You're a criminal! leave.
Well,
No.
but aren't you done with all your questioning?
I never promised anything.